right, guys, we have the seated leg extension. Here we're going to do 12 or 21. And you want to make sure you adjust the seat so your knees fold right over the edge of the bench seat. No gap, no awkward floating. Then you're going to position the lower ankle pad just in front of your shins, not pressing into them. You're going to set your torso about 90 degrees or more to the seat for a balanced quad activation, or you can lean slightly back for more of that upper quad recruitment. Grip the sides of the handles slightly if you need to. They're there for stability, not for hauling the weight up. So if you're, don't do that. Brace your core, keep your back against the seat, extend your legs until they're straight, but don't lock your knees out hard. Squeeze the quads at the top for a full second, and then lower down, keeping tension. Don't let the weight slam down. Keep your movements controlled. This isn't a leg flailing test. And then a pro tip here to get maximum results, you're going to press your quads into the bench seat as you extend and contract them up. This locks in stability and forces the quads to do the heavy lifting. And you don't grip the handles if you're using them like a seatbelt in turbulence. You're cheating your legs.